trench's location is marked on your map display, Commander. You will need to fight through the orcs defending him.
Say it now before the cleanse.
Our fortifications are under assault.
Your command? Time to redeploy.
Say it now, be vigilant.
That's a good position.
Fall into position, initiate.
The fallback position.
Say it now, be vigilant.
Box open.
Be vigilant.
Now for a devastator, brother. This is Amatus. Repositioning.
Foot soldiers, trying to get a precise count.
Brothers, we go. Our wrath anew. Which way, sir?
What is it?
Line up! Adjust your position.
Every eye rises.
Get away from that grenade! Return fire!
A battle brother has fallen.
Time crisis.
Devastated. The fallback position! Tactical squad, moving to that position.
The chapter's recruits, be vigilant. Silent movement.
Going for the brush.
Oh, you are a devastator, brother. This is Amatus.
Orcs. Just as numerous as they are ugly.
Repositioning.
We are the eyes and ears of the chapter.
This is Amatus. Repositioning.
Look alive, brothers. I will carry it out. Move quickly.
Orders for us. Quick! Tactical squad. With me, brothers, advance!
Bring fire!
Armor not enough
This
for
is
ya!
neither the time nor the place.
Tactical squad. This way, brothers.
Be vigilant. My judgments are passed in shadow. Orcs, just as numerous as they are ugly.
Tactical Marines awaiting orders. Repositioning.
This is Avitus.
Tactical squad, return fire.
No! That's gonna leave an ice scar!
Enemy troops destroyed. Preparedness is all. Reposition.
This is Avitus. Brothers, we go.
We are the eyes. Maintain camouflage, scouts.
This is Avitus. Onward then.
Field generators are deploying now, Commander. Additional generators will not be available until your next deployment.
We are the eyes and ears of the chapter.
This is Avitus.
Time to emerge.
Command, reposition.
Adjust your positions.
Only a word. This way. Silent movement, orcs. Just as numerous as they are ugly.
Tactical Marines await. Destination confirmed.
Devastating. Ready for us. Repositioning.
We are the eyes and ears of the chapter.
Ready. Get to that position, brothers. Green skin eliminated. Under attack.
There, moving up.
Say it now. Be vigilant.
Space Marines on the field. Adjust
Remain
your
vigilant.
Be vigilant.
Make ready, brothers.
This is Avitus.
We need only a word. My judgments are passed in shadow.
How can we serve?
Foot soldiers, trying to get a precise count. Acknowledged.
Tactical squad beginning tactical advance.
Onward then.
Readiness is all. Under attack.
Coming out of sight.
It's too much! In it!
Mark target destroyed. stimulants. Advancing. Moving to secure. Strategic point captured.
Fall into position, initiate.
Tactical squad repositioning.
Cyrus here. Greenskin activity.
There. Moving
My
out.
judgments are passed in shadow.
Devastator Marines ready for combat. Adjust your positions, sir. Reposition.
We are the eyes and ears of the chapter. Targeting now.
Targeting now. Understood.
I won't do it!
Time to emerge.
Wait, boy!
Your time rises.
Tarkus will reposition.
The chapter calls and we answer.
Impossible! Go! No mercy!
It's too much! Hit it! The boss let us down!
Under attack. Advance.
Saving up. Vigilance. Cyrus here.
Tactical squad, return fire. Get to that position, brothers. Devastator Marines, feel the Emperor's wrath.
Line up! No crap! That's one and all. Remember your duty. Victory or death!
On the left!
Target destroyed. Habitus.
Scout moving to capture. Acknowledged. Orcs. Just as numerous as they are ugly.
Advance. For chapter and Emperor.
Secured. They should time to emerge. Be vigilant.
Remain vigilant. Tarkus reporting. Tactical squad repositioning. Let fly.
I won't do it!
Be vigilant.
Tactical Marines awaiting orders.
Enemy combatants. Fire front line. Tactical squad. We have engaged. Grenade. Move quickly. Strike from behind us. Structure flattened.
The enemy must pay.
Tactical Marine, get to that position, brothers.
Look this way.
Enemy has us pinned.
Steady. Scouts here. Still engaged.
Box open. With me, brothers. Shoot.
Structure flattened.
Reposition.
Deal with that.
Commander, we do not yet have additional field generators ready. You need to wait until your next deployment to secure another strategic asset.
Maintain camouflage, scouts.
At your reposition.
Yes. What is it?
Tactical squad repositioning. This way.
Scout squad ready for orders.
Eliminate that target.
Ready to serve, brother.
Heading for that cover.
Reposition.
Target sighted.
Repositioning.
The chapter's recruits stand ready. Silent movement coming out of stealth. Be vigilant. My judgments are passed in shadow.
Remain vigilant. Weapons ready.
Going for the rush.
Adjust your positions.
Tactical Marines ready. Heading out. Ready for battle formation.
The green tide rises. Repositioning.
You got through me, boys, did ya? Guess I got to kill you myself.
Target sighted.
We are your death, Greenskin.
Grenade!
Our brothers die in enemy hands.
Moving to that position.
Wonder what you taste like roasted.
Preparedness is on.
Grenade.
No surrender.
Say it now.
Emperor be praised.
Vigilant.
Quick! Melee fighters have us pinned down.
The enemy has targeted this area. Move! Say it now before it be vigilant.
No fancy kid gonna save ya.
With me, brothers, advance!
The enemy.
Scatter! Enemy shockwave coming!
Unleash all fury upon them!
More patient, brothers.
Scouts here, still engaged. Chapter.
Priority target with me, brothers, advance! Ready. Brothers, fire! Get to that position, brothers. Tactical squad. Tied up in hand-to-hand combat. We need to change
I'm not boss no more. Ah, zog it. The orc scum is dead at last.
Ready for extraction, Commander.
Victory is but a prelude to the next battle. Good work, Commander. Gut-Wrencher's death has scattered his orc band. We have found crucial evidence among the remains of Skykiller and Gut-Wrencher's orcs. Both had recently visited Fellhammer Mine in the mountains outside Argus. Whoever is stirring up the orcs must be using Fellhammer as a base of operations.